Dead plankton sinks to the ocean floor and gets deposited. The plankton is mixed with fine mud, clay. The resulting sediment made of the plankton, mud and anaerobic bacteria is now called sapropel. Sapropel is being buried by younger sediments, which increases the pressure and temperature of the sapropel layer. At about 50 degrees centigrade, corresponding to 1 to 2 kilometres of burial, the sapropel is converted into kerogen through anaerobic bacteria and chemical processes. The sediment layers may be folded as a result of tectonic movements in the basin. More sediments fall on top, increasing the pressure and temperature on the kerogen. At 80 to 120 degrees centigrade, or about 3 to 5 kilometres of burial, the conversion of kerogen into liquid petroleum occurs. The oil migrates out of the kerogen into sandstone reservoirs. These act as storage beds. Between 120 to 150 degrees centigrade, natural gas forms and also migrates from the kerogen into the sandstone reservoir. In some sedimentary basins, additional salty water might migrate into the sandstone reservoir and underlie the oil. An oil or gas field forms when the liquid or gas moves through the pores and spaces of permeable rock and collects within the pore spaces under an impermeable trap.